Okay, Ran.
Mayong gabi, Pilipinas! Ako si Dayan Custodio from Iloilo City. I believe that in each and every one of us lives within us the Timothy. But I believe that God is not through with us yet. Pero ako, brothers and sisters, I am ready to take on the mission and to live by the advocacy of being 100% pure for God. Thank you.
Magandang gabi mga kapatid. I'm Michael Vincent Rolly Peldan, 19 years old, serving the campus base of Iloilo and the community base of Negros Occidental. Magmula na naging YFC ako, sunod-sunod na yung blessings na dumating sa buhay ko. I experienced personal healing. I found myself worth in the service, and that is why I commit myself to share this love, the blessings, and the joy I found and felt in the service to other youth, hindi lamang sa lugar ko, but also to the place where God would send me.
Mayong gabi sa iyong tanan. I am Star Pastor, 20 years old, of Davao City. I believe that the youth is the hope of our country. And young as I am committing myself and my life to Christ, to His people, and to our country. May God be praised.
Good evening, brothers and sisters. I'm Carlos Lopez and I'm 19 years old from Metro Manila. I believe that it is my calling to serve this country. And I know na I will continue to work in Gawad Kalinga kasi mahal ko yung mga kababayan ko, mahal ko ang Pilipinas, at higit sa lahat kasi mahal na mahal ko yung Diyos ko. And for that, may God be glorified.
Manayaw YFC! Hi, I'm Ayan Bitalcorin, 16 years old, from the place you'd rather be, Davao City! Bayan natin, muling babangon, ikaw, ako, tayong lahat, sama-sama nating iahon.
Good evening, my brothers and my sisters. I'm MM Villanueva, 16 years old, and I'm serving YFC High School base in Oriental Mindoro. Mga kapatid, the future has arrived. It's time to change and empower this nation. At tayong lahat, tayo ang mag-umpisa ng pagbabagong ito. Let's do it for God and for His people. And for that, may our one and only God be praised.